Oh my gosh. You're not gonna believe what I found.
I was only scuba diving for like 10 minutes and I found all this cool stuff. Also came across a lot of trash, which is terrible, but I tried my very best to get everything I saw down there, and this is only like a fraction of what's down there. So the bag right now is completely full. So I'm gonna put all the stuff I found on the dock, all the trash and all the treasure. I'm gonna dive back down and I'm gonna try to search for some more cool stuff, but I only went down there for like 10 minutes and I have the whole right side of the dock to look. So I think we're gonna find some more really cool stuff.
I found another fishing pole. I found so many today. I'll go back there. Got another chair. This one's for you, man. We got everyone chairs today. Oh. Tell me, you're not gonna believe what I found. Oh my gosh. It's so heavy. I'm gonna need your help with this one. I found a toilet. Oh my gosh. Help me out.
You know, of all things today, I did not think I was gonna find a toilet. That's the last thing I ever thought I'd find today. But we did it, man. Alright guys, so we got everything laid out on the dock right here, and to be honest with you guys, I had no idea that I was gonna find this much stuff here at this boat ramp. I mean, this boat ramp's not even that big. It goes down right here and to the right there, and that's it. And I found all this stuff here. Found a handful of fishing poles. Some of these actually are in pretty good condition. Actually gave 2 to the guy over there fishing. We also got a bunch of reels too. Found a bait caster, a bunch of spinning reels, and a couple old school ones as well. Ended up finding a few nice fishing lures in the tackle box. Found a transducer. I bet this guy was upset when he knocked that off. Found some nice like little pottery pieces as well. A knife, I think Apple headphones, and I also found 4 phones. But this right here definitely has to be my favorite find of the day. It's an iPhone, but we did come across 2 other Samsungs here. I don't know what iPhone number this is, but if you guys know, let me know in the comment section below. But I believe it's pink. I'm not too sure what this is, but I think this is where maybe you hook your fish onto when you catch them. Spark plug, little grippers, some other things you maybe put your fishing poles on when you're waiting on a big fish. Sunglasses and some prescription glasses, another fishing reel, some really nice pliers. I passed up these. I forgot to show you guys. These are really nice pliers. I also found a dog leash. To be honest with you guys, I was a little nervous. I thought I was gonna find like a skeleton on the end, but it's just a dog leash. That'd been so terrible. I was blown away of all the trash and all the stuff I found today, you guys. Like, look at all these bottles, man. This is unbelievable. A lot of liquor bottles, beer bottles, wine bottles, beer cans, just plastic, everything, man. You know, it's just sad to see this much trash. And I guarantee pretty much at every boat ramp you go to, you're gonna find all kinds of trash just like this. And you also might come across a few cool items like I did today. But I mean, for the most part, it's just a buttload of trash, and I'm super happy I got all this out of my river here. We're gonna throw all this away here in a second, but I'm just blown away about all the stuff I found today, man. This is unbelievable. I need some new gloves, man. There's broken glass everywhere. If you guys want to send me a pair of new gloves, I have my P.O. box in the description below. I love all black gloves, but I just need something a little bit more durable. Can't have enough gloves, so if you guys have a good idea for like a good glove brand or whatever, I love all black. Like I said, feel free to send me some of my P.O. box, and maybe we'll try them out in the next diving video. One more time, before I throw this toilet away, y'all sure you don't want it? Yeah. I know I asked you guys like 4 or 5 times now.
I can roll it where I need to sit at and fish, but
hey, I can put some wheels on it.
Ain't got no wheels on it.
Yeah, I guess it don't got no wheels. I mean, you know, it's not good enough chair. We'll put some wheels on it. We'll be the river toilet chair, best fishing chair in the world. And then I'll come back and show him what's up. I will pull that next to him, catch all the fish. Okay, so we have everything in the back of the truck right now, even the toilet. And that trash can right there is actually completely empty when I stole it from the river rock. But we're actually about to drive back up there, put the trash can where I found it. But man, what a day, dude. Also, before we head on out, I want to give a big thanks to KC Highlights for hooking me up with this light bar right here in this rack. This will allow me to put like cool luggage and stuff on the top, and it's just gonna make my life a little bit easier. Or if I don't finish my video in time and it gets dark on me, I can turn these lights on and it's gonna light my way, and I can just record and finish my video for you guys. It'd be so bad if I had a car and had to put all this stuff in a car, but I'm glad I had the back of the truck to be able to put all that stuff in there. But the lights are a great addition. Thank you guys from KC Highlights. I appreciate it so much. Super excited to be able to use those lights in a future video. So I put the trash can where I found it, and this is where we make our separate ways. Toilet. Whoever picks up all this trash is gonna be like, why in the world is there a toilet right here? You ever seen anyone fishing with a toilet? I knew this toilet would come in handy, man. Oh, wait, what do you got over there? You got a shirt.
There you go.
River treasure.
He caught something, didn't
He caught a shirt. I'm gonna give you guys the offer. If you guys want this toilet, I'm gonna ask one more time. I know you guys said no at the beginning of the day, but if you want it, you guys can have it. Okay, it's a great fishing chair. I promise you. You just sit back and relax, and you can probably catch some big fish like this. I'm telling you, if you sat on this, you'd catch the big ones. Are you sure you don't want it?